Hello, I'm Rory Penfold, the product manager here at Precision Pumping Systems. Today we're introducing the Gemini series pump station, specifically designed for Heritage Landscape Supply Partners. This is a booster pump station with an ABB ACQ580 variable frequency drive featuring Bluetooth programming. This variable frequency drive is designed specifically for the water industry. This pump station is designed with all corrosion resistant materials, from the marine grade aluminum enclosure, stainless steel piping, and a corrosion resistant skid base. Heavy duty sensors, pressure transmitter and flow switch, and a heavy duty centrifugal pump motor. This also features inlet and discharge isolation valves. If you have any questions on this product line or any others, contact Precision Pumping Systems.